everybody, it's Crystal. Welcome to my channel, Bagoday Crochet, where we talk about everything and anything that has to do with yarn and or crochet. And sometimes knit, so hit that subscribe button if you have not. Today it's yarn, and my, did I have a mess up. It's the mystery box mishap. I'll tell you what happened. So, you know, Joann's had mystery boxes over Black Friday. It was 9 balls of some type of red heart yarn for $19.99. I thought, you know what? That's a pretty good deal. They had 4-weight boxes and 5-weight boxes. So I bought, when I do mystery boxes, I usually try to buy 2 of each one to show everybody, just to see if they're going to be the same or not. So I bought 2 4-weight, 2 5-weights through PayPal. Came up as an error. Didn't go through. So I went back to Joann's. I did it again. 2 4-weight, 2 5-weights. Went through PayPal. Came up as an error. Didn't go through. So I waited a few minutes. Went back to Joann's. Put 2 4-weights, 2 5-weights back in my box. Went through PayPal. And it went through. I got my confirmation email from PayPal and from Joann's. Wasn't about 30 minutes later, I got 2 more confirmation emails for the other 2 orders that said errors. So, needless to say, I have 12 mystery boxes to open up. I'm actually pretty excited about it, except for one reason. Some people have already gotten theirs, and they've shown it on Facebook. And it seems that a lot of them are containing scrubby yarn. And if you don't know me, scrubby is my worst enemy. I only make my husband underwear out of them. No, that's a joke.
Woo!
That's a joke.
My favorite.
That's a joke. I don't do that. But I really don't like scrubby yarn. And I see that some people have gotten all scrubby yarn, like all 9 balls in a box with scrubby. And I'm like, oh my gosh, I hope I don't get 1,000 balls of scrubby. But let's open them up and see. I don't think I've seen anybody's 5-weight boxes. If I have, I didn't, know what I don't think I have. But I've seen 4-weights. Some of them were okay. Some of them were scrubby. And to me, that's not cool. But, it's a mystery. And I'm not going to be upset because that's the way mystery boxes work. It's the fun. So the 4-weights come, I got 6 4-weight boxes and 6 5-weight. Kind of feel silly. But Bagoday does love a good mystery box. And we can see if they're all different or not. So some of the 4-weight boxes were small like this. And some of them were bigger like this. So these are the 4-weight ones I'm opening first. I'm going to assume that these small 4-weight boxes, I'm only just going to assume it because I've seen it on my Facebook page. It has to be scrubby yarn. Let's open it. It's so... Don't be scrubby. Don't be scrubby. Don't be scrubby. Don't be scrubby. I won't be mad if you are, but don't be scrubby. It's okay. I don't care because it's a mystery box, and that's what happens. That's what happens when you get mystery boxes. Sometimes you get scrubby. A lot of people like scrubby, and that's cool. I don't like scrubby, so I don't use it. But hey, let's see what we got. 3 balls of this color of scrubby. Scrubby. So we meet again, scrubby. So we meet again. We meet again with multiple balls of you. And I got some tan scrubby. And some white scrubby. Alright, so that's not my 9 balls. No, I'm not upset about it because that's how mystery boxes are, Sometimes you get good things, sometimes you get things that you really, you're not real happy with. But you know what? With the mystery box, you're paying for the mystery, not the yarn. There's another small one. It's going to be scrubby. Hey, but if it's scrubby, let's hope for different colors. I don't even know how this all happened. It just all happened so fast. My orders messed up and all of a sudden people's getting scrubby and I'm like, oh no. It's scrubby. And it's the same colors. Scrubby. is my kryptonite. It's Bagoday's kryptonite. Same colors. Alright. Okay, I got one more of these small box, which is probably 9 balls of scrubby. Open it up. Let's open it up. Try to do this as quickly as possible. It's kind of like pulling, knowing you're going to get scrubby yarn in the box, you got kind of like pulling off a band-aid. You just got to do it real fast and get it over with, It is. It's the same colors as scrubby. 9 balls. Okay, so that was 3 of my 6 4-weight boxes. Now the other 4-weight boxes are bigger. So I don't know. I've seen some people get some pretty okay yarn, I don't know though. It could be all scrubby, People packing Joann's could be like, haha, let's have scrubby in these big boxes. They don't think it's scrubby. No, I'm not meaning anything bad for those of you who like scrubby, because I know a lot of people do. I'm just laughing because it's my least favorite yarn. But I'm laughing at myself. Okay. Okay, this looks promising. Let's see what we got. No scrubby! So I got 3 balls, I'm sorry, of Red Heart with Love. I like Red Heart with Love. This is a pretty purple. Red Heart with Love Premium. Ooh. 370 yards. This color is called Wisteria. My Yorkie's down there trying to get a bag of scrubby. So 3 balls of this. I like it. It's, I don't have to open it. I know what it feels like. Red Heart with Love is a nice soft 100% acrylic yarn. I know it's soft enough to wear around your neck. 370 yards each. So I got 3 of those. Ooh, Red Heart Soft. I like Red Heart Soft too. Look at that color on that one. That's like a, I don't know what color. What color are they naming this? Grape. Raisin. Grape. Yeah, that's like a dark grape. I like that. I like Red Heart Soft. It's actually softer than Red Heart with Love. That's why they call it Red Heart Soft. This is nice. So the Red Heart Soft is, again, the 4-weight, 256 yards each. And it's a nice acrylic yarn. I like that. And then I got 3 more Red Heart Soft in another color of purple. So those would go together. So I got all purples in this box. 6 softs and 6 with loves. I like it. That makes up for all the bad boxes of scrubby. I'm gonna put them back in the box now. Now I wonder if all these the rest of these other 2 4-weights will be the same. I don't care if they are, because that just gives me more yarn to make a bigger project. And if they're different, that's always cool too. Let's see what we got here in this one. It is the same. That's fine with me. So 3 more of the with loves, 3 more of the soft grape color, and 3 more of the soft berry color. Like it, like it. I saw some people getting some like Red Heart roll with it, the cakes and stuff. They look really nice. But I'm happy with this. And I'm not a fan of the scrubby, but whatever. In case you didn't know that yet, but it's fine. Cool with it. This is the last 4-weight box, and this one is the same. So in total, I got 12 balls of the Red Heart with Love. No, 9 balls. 9 balls of the Red Heart with Love. 9 balls of this berry color soft, Red Heart Soft, and 9 balls of the grape color. I'm happy with that. That's worth 20 bucks. Each of those boxes were worth $19.99. I mean, the scrubby really wasn't. Not to me personally, but you know what? It's worth the fun. It's worth the fun. It's all about how much fun you have, and it was fun for me. All right, George, move it, buddy. Let's open up these 5-weights. Want to? Now I have no idea what to expect in the 5-weights. Maybe they slipped some scrubby in here. No. Okay, I'll quit talking about scrubby. I'm done with the scrubby conversation. I got cardboard on me. Okay, so these are the 5-weights, and again, these contained all Red Heart yarn, 9 balls, and they were $19.99 each. Ooh, Red Heart Soft Essentials. I like the Soft Essentials. I have a beautiful hooded scarf tutorial out of Red Heart Soft Essentials, and the hood is detachable. You guys should check it out. I think it might be made out of maybe this color or a variegated version of this color. The Soft Essentials is a bulky 5. It's a nice soft yarn. There's 131 yards per ball. So I got this gray color, and then I got it in white. Nice, I like those. And then I got Red Heart Gemstone. Ooh, look at that one. I'm gonna open that up. That's pretty. It's rainbowy. I like the gemstone too. So this one's called Jewel. The gemstone is a 5 weight, 100% acrylic. Oh, these are acrylic too. I'm happy with this box. This is well worth $19.99. Very nice. Yeah, I'll probably keep a bag of these. I like that rainbow color. I don't think I've ever had this color of the gemstone. Pretty. You think they'll all be the same? It's a high possibility, but that's okay. I don't mind if it's all the same. I'll use it. Give it away probably, but someone will use it. Okay, this box is 5 weight, and it is the same. We got the Soft Essentials in gray, Soft Essentials in white, and we got the gemstone in the color Jewel. 3 of those. Great, great. Happy with that. Move on to the next. Got 6 of these. Excuse me, I'm gonna take a drink real quick. I apologize. Okay. And this one is also the same, which is fine because these Soft Essentials, it's a nice yarn. I like it. I haven't used it in a long time, but they only have 131 yards per ball, so the more of them the merrier for me. I like this gray. I'd probably make something out of that gray. Okay, going in for my 4th box. Excuse me. And it is the same. Gemstones, the gray Soft Essentials, and the white. They must have just had all these, kind of like Lion Brand, you know. You get all the same no matter what. Once in a while. Just maybe you get something different. But these are pretty much... No, George. George is trying to steal my scrubby. You don't want it, George. Trust me. It's the same. I'm happy with these though. I don't care about it. Them all being the same. That's... How many did I get of those? 6? Wow. I got one more. And I can only assume that this is going to be the same. But maybe, just maybe, it'll be different. I don't care either way though. Like I said, I might use that gray for something. The rest I can't keep. But I do like that gray one. And one of those gemstones. Oh, it's the same. I wonder if I would have bought 30 of them if they all would have been the same. That was fun though, wasn't it? Mystery boxes are so much fun. So, like I said, I can't keep all this stuff, but I will probably keep all these grays of the Soft Essential because I got something in mind. And probably one ball of that gemstone. I think I really like this one of the Red Heart Soft. The berry color. I think that would make a pretty baby dress. But I might keep a few balls of that. And definitely keeping all that scrubby for myself. I'm just kidding. I hope you guys had a good time watching. I had a good time unboxing them. Even though they were all pretty much the same. I don't care. It's still fun. Gives you more yarn to work with. And I don't care that I got scrubby. You know, once I saw people posting that, I'm like, oh no. And I braced myself for it. I knew it was coming. I knew it was coming. So thanks everybody for watching. I hope you had as much fun as I did. It was a good time, and I'll see you on my next video, okay? Bye guys.